Hello fan collectors. What we got here today is this Edison thin and light box fan that I got from the flea market. It was for $5, and I really like the finish look on this fan and the blades and the top part, the wood finish. And I'll show you on the back side. Here's the side of it, and there's the back side and the back of the motor. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and start the fan, starting off on low. Here's low. Here's medium. It blows some pretty good air on medium. Alright, then put on high speed. Here's your high speed. And all I gotta say is, wow. That's a good air remover right there. I think I could use this. Could have had it during the summertime, but that's okay. Then we're going to go ahead and turn it off. Alright, there you have it. Here's your Edison thin and light box fan. So hope you all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. See you later.